Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get your grout really sparkly clean using the Dawn Platinum Power Wash. I couldn't even believe it. I sprayed it on my grout, gave it a little bit of a scrub. You can use a little toothbrush or just like a scrubber brush, and it just gets in there and removes the dirt like a charm. So before we get started, I did seal my grout using this grout sealer when we moved in a few years ago. And I think you're supposed to do this like every couple of years or maybe even more than that. But I want to make sure the grout is really clean again before I go ahead and do this. So let's get right into it. Okay, so quick little tour here. You can see that like in this back area, the grout like hasn't been walked on much, hasn't been touched. And then you can see that it's getting a little bit dirtier in some areas, more in like the main walkway. And then like back in here, it looks like this is, you know, the natural color. So that's what we will compare it to. And then over here too. So this is going to be a bit time consuming. So I'll do a little time lapse. To make things easier, I'm breaking the floor up into 3 sections, starting by spraying the grout lines and letting the soap really penetrate into the stains. Once the foam has been sitting for a few minutes, start by scrubbing with a firm bristle brush into the grout lines. You can also use a toothbrush or like an old toothbrush. That works really good too. So you're going to begin to see that the soap starts to look dirty from all the debris that's being lifted out of the grout. So now I'm moving over to the right side and I'm repeating the same process. Now that the first section of the floor has been scrubbed, I am going to be taking just a rag, a clean, dry rag, and wiping it down. You're going to see how much dirt is being pulled out. And you can see here in this clip how much residual dirt I was able to pick up from the floor. So the next step, you're going to want to take a rag with hot water. Here's a little ASMR for you. Now wiping down the floor to remove all that excess soap residue that was left over. Section 1 is now done, so I'm moving on a little bit further to section 2. Same process, spraying down the grout lines, letting it get nice and frothy and let that soap really get in there and penetrate the stains. This job is so tedious, but in the end it is so worth it. Wait until you see the end and the difference that it makes. Just to see the floors look clean, and there's just something just so great about it. Moving on to the last section of the floor here. This probably took me, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour. You could probably do it a lot faster if we weren't filming and doing all that stuff. But my bathroom is pretty small, so I would say for a good size room, depending on how much grout you have, it could take a little bit more. But here I got a little bit tired of like scrubbing on my hands. So I resorted to my feet to just kind of remove all that extra residue. So I waited a little bit of time here to let it dry, because sometimes if the grout looks wet still, it's gonna look dirty, but look at how beautiful. Like you can't even tell where the lighter portions are in the back to the darker. It's such a big difference. It really picked everything up. If you guys like this video, check out my video that I did on OxiClean cleaning the shower, specifically the shower glass. I think that you guys will really like that. I'm going to link it down below and up in the cards. And here's a little before and after shot for you guys to take a look at. I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.